Hi folks, welcome back to the bench. Today we've got a, well, you read the thumbnail. Have a look at this. And how do you like your action, sir? I like it to absolutely tear my fingers to pieces. 2.8 would be considered high action on an acoustic guitar, which is somewhere about there. This is almost 10mm. Wow. And it starts off not very well indeed, and just gets worse and worse and worse. And there we have it. The award for the highest action on any guitar ever goes to this one. Let's get to work. Right folks, we'll start with Truss Rod Adjustment. That's if it hasn't seized in place, but I'm hoping to get a little bit of movement at least. It's tight, it's tight. Be with you in a few hours. Right guys, we've discussed bringing down the saddles before. We can use machines and files. I'm going to go for the more traditional method today of some sandpaper. Just feel we get a better overall finish and can sort of control the saddle a little bit more. Join me on the bench. And we are nearly there guys with this. You saw how much we've had to take off. We're just at the last stages now, cleaning up the corners, and then hopefully we'll have a test fit. Right guys, we've finished the saddle section. We're now going to give it a clean up, a restring, an oil, a polish, and then a cup of tea. Time for a quick burst of energy. It'll be in super fast mode with more angles than Die Hard 1 and 2 put together, and then we'll get a remeasure. Absolutely perfect. Low medium 2mm action. Right folks, and there we have it. One acoustic guitar, fully set up and ready for action. She might not have been Mona Lisa. It was more like my wife, Mona Lotta.
Hi.
Oh, sorry love. Like I always say, another day, another guitar. See you soon.